Welcome to another lesson from Taylor Swift's new album, Folklore. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Cardigan. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to place a capo on the first fret. And the verse is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is an E minor chord. So you're going to place your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the D string. Next is an A major chord, so you're just going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger. And then last is a G major chord, so you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string, your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the chorus. The chorus is made up of 3 chords, the first of which is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. Next is an A major chord, which we already learned. And then last is a G major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the last part you need to know is the bridge after the 2nd chorus. It's made up of 4 chords, the first of which is a G major chord, which we already learned. Next is a B minor chord, so you're going to bar the 2nd fret from the A string with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 4th fret of the D string, your pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, and your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Next is a D major chord, which we already learned. And then last is an A major chord, which we also learned already. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Cardigan. Like I mentioned, if this lesson helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this album. Thanks.